Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine. I congratulate you to my video. I have discussed so many different type of transactions, journal entry, voucher entry in my previous video, and now today I am also going to discuss different types of voucher entry, different type of journals. Let us come to question number 23. The brokerage charge on sale of a product cost 13,000 and import duty expenses Rs 5,000 by cash. The brokerage charge on sale of product 13,000 and import duty expenses 5,000 by cash. For this question, there are the use of ledgers, brokerage paid ledger, import duty ledger. All ledgers belong to expense indirect, and there must be the use of a cash account because cash payment is there. As per this question, the voucher entry by brokerage paid account should be debit 13,000 and import duty account should be debit 5,000, and this 18,000 will be deducted from cash account. Now cash account is the credit, so that is why we have to use payment voucher or you have to use button F5. Next question is question number 24. Need purchased machinery cost 85,000 from Somani Engineering and paid cash 50,000 and 35,000 by check. Need computer purchased a machinery from Somani Enterprise cost of 85,000, and there are two types of payment. One is cash payment, another is check payment. So for this question, what are the ledgers do you need? Machinery ledger, that should be under fixed asset. Need SBI, that should be the bank account, its group should be bank account, and there is the use of a cash ledger because cash transaction is there. And its journal is by machinery account debited 85,000, to cash account credit 50,000, and to need SBI account credit 35,000. Why machinery account becomes a debit? Because machinery is the head of expenditure as per the real account. As per the example of a nominal account, machinery is the example of a nominal account, so that is why it is the expenses head of expense, so that is why machinery account becomes a debit and a cash account becomes a credit, because as per the real rule of a real account, cash account becomes a credit because what goes out, the formula is this golden rule is what goes out, so that is why cash account becomes a credit and the 35,000 will be credited from need SBI account because check payment is there. So that is why as cash credit is there and bank credit is there, so we have to use payment voucher, that is F5. Question number 25. After 5 years, machinery was sold with depreciation value cost 15,000. After using the machinery 5 years, that machine was sold with cost 15,000 and the depreciation value becomes 15,000. After 5 years, machinery was sold with depreciation value 15,000. Depreciation value means, suppose we have to sell the machine with 25,000, but while during the sale it was sold with suppose 10,000. So 15,000 was the depreciation value. So for this question, what we have to do, how to do the journal entry, how to do the voucher entry, what are the ledgers, let us check. One machinery account should be there under fixed account, and a machinery depreciation account should be there under expense indirect, because this machinery depreciation is also, it is an expenditure. So that is why the journal should be by machinery depreciation account debited 15,000 and to machinery account debited 15,000, credited 15,000. Whenever we purchased machine, जेतबेले machine purchase कले, that time what we have done, machinery account debited to cash or machinery account debited to bank account. But now machinery depreciation was there 15,000. So that is why machinery depreciation account becomes a debit 15,000 and machinery account becomes a credit 15,000, because due to the machinery account the machinery depreciation was there 15,000. So that is why machinery depreciation account debited to machinery account 15,000. As there is the no system of a cash transaction or bank transaction, there is the example of a journal entry, but that is F7. The next question, bad debt amount of a NEET agency is 17,000 for previous year. Bad debt means the amount which is given to anybody and that amount is not can be recovered. That is called as a bad debt amount. So bad debt amount of a NEET agency is 17,000 for the previous year. So for this question, we have to need ledger, bad debt ledger under expense indirect, and there is the use of a profit and loss ledger, that is also by default, that previously I have not told. This is the first time I am supposed to discuss profit and loss ledger. As a cash ledger is the by default, profit and loss ledger is also by default. Whenever we are creating company, that time profit and loss ledger and cash ledger is automatically generated. So there is no need of creating these two ledgers by ourselves. As per this question, the transaction should be bad debt account should be debit 17,000 and it will be credited from profit and loss 17,000. As there is no use of a cash account or a bank account, there is the use of a journal voucher, that is F7. Bad debt account is debited 17,000 and it is credited from profit and loss. So if it is credited from profit and loss, then what will happen? The total 17,000 will be deducted from the net profit of the organization. So that is why profit loss account show the real profit of the organization. If we credit 17,000 from profit and loss, then what will happen? The real net profit will be found out. So that is why we can credit profit and loss 17,000 according to this question. Then next question, bad debt amount of a NEET agency, that is 17,000 is recovered in current year. गत वर्ष जोटा हमर bad debt थिला, but the amount which was considered as bad debt, that amount is now this year it is recovered, that we are getting back. So for that case, what are the things we need? What are the ledgers? That ledger must be bad debt ledger under expense indirect, and bad debt recovery ledger we have to create, that should be under income indirect. Because I told you previous year the amount which is given to anybody, we think that is not recovered, so that is why we considered as bad debt. But fortunately this amount is recovered in this year, so that is why bad debt recovered account should be there, because this is the head of income. From this head we are getting that money back, so that is why bad debt recovery account and its group should be income indirect. For this question, our journal is bad debt recovery account must be debit 17,000 and bad debt account must be credit 17,000. Because bad debt recovery, for the head of a bad debt recovery, we are getting 17,000 back. So that is why bad debt recovery account becomes a debit 17,000. And due to bad debt, due to the previous bad debt, we are getting this money. So that is why from this head we are getting money back. So that is why bad debt account becomes a credit. Whenever in our previous question, whenever bad debt was there, that time bad debt was debit and cash account becomes a credit. But according to this question, bad debt recovery is there. So that is why bad debt recovery was debit, or it is debit, and bad debt account becomes a credit, that is 17,000. So as there is no use of a cash account or a bank account, so that is why we have to use F7 or journal voucher. Now this is the last question of this video. Travel expenses cost 7,000. Wages paid amount 15,000 and fuel expenses 8,000 by cash. Now three expenses are there. One is the travel expenses, another is wages amount paid, another is fuel expenses. So for that case, what we have to do? We have to create ledgers, travel expenses ledger under expense indirect, wages paid ledger under expense direct, fuel paid ledger under expense direct, and cash ledger must be there because cash transaction is there. So let us check the journal. What are the things? Because our expenditure is made for three different heads, that is the travel head, that is wages head, that is fuel head. So that is why our expenditure, as it is depends upon three head, these three ledgers must be debit. That means by travel expense account must be debit 7,000, by wages paid account must be debit 15,000, by fuel paid account must be debit 8,000, and this amount, total amount 30,000 will be credited from cash account because this 30,000 was paid from cash. So as due to the example of a real account, what goes out process is there, so that is why cash account becomes a credit 30,000, and travel expenses, wages paid, fuel paid, these three examples are example of a nominal account, and expenses becomes a debit. According to this rule of expenses becomes a debit, these three ledgers are the head of expenditure, so that is why these three ledgers becomes a debit and it will be credited from cash account, that is 30,000. So that is why for this question we have to use payment voucher, that is F5, because cash credit is there. Hope this video find you in good health and spirit. Subscribe our video, comment me and share our video, so that whatever the next video I will upload, you can get its notification.